Hi there, Mark Wickersham again, Amazon #1 best-selling author of Effective Pricing for Accountants. And if you've been watching my videos, you will remember that I have talked in the past about how you should make sure that your payment terms, the default is that you get paid in advance before you start the work. And you may remember I've explained to you that many firms that I work with for annual work, such as annual financial statements or tax returns, they are starting to get paid monthly in advance. And so let's say, for example, a client has a end of year end, 31st of December, then they would start paying from the 1st of January before in 12 instalments, or at least in 12 instalments up until the date it's expected the accounts will be completed. So if the firm is aiming to complete accounts within 3 months, that 31st of December year end would be done the following 31st of March, and the payments would start 12 months before 31st of March. Question I get though, love the idea, Mark, but how on earth do I transition clients onto that system? Because there'll be a point in time, won't there, when there's a double charge, a catch-up? Absolutely, there will be. So it's all about how do you describe that? How do you explain that process? And what I'm going to put on the screen for you is a suggested script, some words that many firms following my process are using. So when you're sat down with a client or prospective client that you're just about to sign up whose previous accountant allowed them to pay in arrears, you might say something like this. We have easy payment solutions to make your cash flow so much easier. Let me explain. So that we can make your cash flow easy and to help you with your budgeting, your forecasting, then what we do is our accounting packages are paid monthly in advance by automated payment. Then we go on to say, and if you have a set of accounts that are due to be completed sometime within the next year, which by the way is likely to be about now because they've just hired you to do the accounts. So if you have a set of accounts to be done now, then we even have a range of easy payment options to help with any catch-up. And then you would list them. So you might say you can pay by credit card, you could pay by finance, you could pay by cheque, or you could even spread the cost over the first few months by recurring payment. So let me now explain what some of the firms that I work with then go on to do. What we've done so far is we've used language, our explanation, to focus on the benefit to the customer. So we've talked about helping them with cash flow, allowing them to spread, allowing them to forecast, and we have easy payment options for the catch-up. What many firms I work with now do is they say, of course that means that you've got to pay for this year's accounts that are now due and start paying for next year's. What they go on to say is, however, we don't want to give you any unexpected surprises or any cash flow problems. So this is what we will do. We will let you pay for this set of accounts that we've got to do now by 12 interest-free instalments. Wow, that's generous. But you're probably ahead of me at this point. That means effectively what they're doing is they're paying in 12 instalments in arrears for what needs doing now, and at the same time in parallel paying 12 instalments in advance for next year's. So they're paying 2 lots in one. And the firms that do this, some of them tell me they have an extra thing they say, which again their clients love. They say, the good news is at the end of 12 months your recurring future payments to us will roughly halve. And clients love that. So that's how firms are moving from the old way of being paid in arrears to getting clients to pay them in advance by up to 12 months, by allowing them to spread the catch-up year over 12 interest-free instalments, which is fair, the clients love that, whilst at the same time starting to pay for the following year's worth of work. And of course, once they're on that system, then they're always, forevermore, paying you in advance, which is making a huge difference to your cash flow. I hope you love that idea. Please do share it with other friends and colleagues. And if you want any other help on value pricing, I do have my free video training program called A Systems Approach to Value Pricing. Links somewhere around here. I'm sure you'll find it. Go and register there, and I'll see you very soon on another video. Bye for now.